Managing staff and scheduling is often a daunting task in most organizations. But in this video, we've gathered the best service from the top scheduling software category that will help you save time and money. I'm going to show you a few of the best tips that will come in handy for your work. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons of the programs, so stay tuned so don't miss out the most important things.
What is Upkeep? Upkeep scheduling maintenance software is your team's modern maintenance and asset management solution. From your desktop to your phone and even on your tablet, Upkeep is easily accessible from anywhere at any time. Create work orders on the go, get notifications when tasks are updated, and receive alerts straight from your app when assets go down, making your business run more efficiently than ever. Best for manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, food processing, facilities management, fleet, hotels, oil and gas construction, distribution, warehousing, utilities, packaging, utilities. Pricing details. Starter, $45 per user per month, billed annually. Professional, $75 per user per month. Business plan, $120 per user per month. Enterprise plans are available on request. Pros. I love the ease of using this software, the clean organization, and simple functionality. The group of individuals that helped us set up Upkeep was amazing, supportive, and informative throughout the process. Setting up a PM schedule was easy, fast, and logical. I'm still learning more about the product, but at this point, I'm a huge fan. The product is straightforward to use and responses are almost immediate. Once the initial password is saved, you can just store it in your favorites and fill out the form. Cons. When filling out the tasks on the app, if you make a mistake and have typed too much, you can't go back and correct it because it doesn't do it in paragraph form. If there is no service, the app is useless. Requesters sometimes logged out of it and forget their password. What is Booker? 35% of customers seek to book appointments after regular business hours. Are they able to book with you? Make appointment scheduling easy for you and your customers with Booker's online booking and all-in-one spa and salon management software. Our platform features appointment and staff scheduling, point of sale, marketing and customer retention tools. Take a free demo and join over 128,000 professionals who save time and effort as they grow and run their business with Booker. Best for salons looking to run and grow their business using our simple but powerful cloud-based platform. Pricing details. Essential, $129. Manage your schedule, sell services, and streamline everyday tasks. Accelerate, $195. Keep your clients coming back with email campaigns and text confirmations. Ultimate, $395. Grow your business with advanced marketing tools, automation, and analytics. Pros. This makes me feel like I will provide a better message experience for my clients. Booker provides me with exactly what I need to succeed on my job. The clients love it because they can make appointments online and they love the text reminders for the appointments. Booker was great service for the business. It allowed the team to do our whole job in one interface. Love using it and utilizing the software for appointments. Cons. Lack of customer service options. Very difficult to chat with someone. Glitches happen. Clients receive cancellation emails, yet their appointments haven't been cancelled. Wrong service and product history for clients that can never be corrected. Financial transactions that regularly crash. They put my account on hold after trying to cancel their services. A ridiculous customer service representative froze my account so that no deposits could go through, affecting my payroll. Customer service is horrible. They get a sales agent to con you into services you don't need, then try to lock you into long contracts that you can't cancel. What is When I Work? When I Work is easy for businesses to schedule, track time and attendance, and communicate with their hourly employees. Put the schedule and time clock in every employee's pocket with free iOS and Android apps. Keep track of time off and employee availability, and manage shift swaps with just a few clicks. Integrate with your payroll provider to streamline the process and avoid human error. Get started with a 14-day free trial now. Best for From small businesses to large enterprise operations, management teams in every industry use When I Work software to save time scheduling shift-based employees and improve communication. Pricing details. The standard plan starts at $2.50 per user per month. When I Work is offered as a subscription on a month-to-month basis. There are no long-term contracts, and a credit card is not required to start a free trial. Pros. Out of all the scheduling apps or processes I've been a part of, this has been the smoothest. I would recommend this app to any employer looking for good software. It is a nice way, especially if you have a significant number of employees, to figure out how best to configure everyone's schedule to meet the office's needs. I love using it when I work because it's super easy to view your schedule for the week and the week to come. When I Work allows me to keep track of my work schedule seamlessly. I have recommended it to a few of my friends who are not the greatest with time management. Cons. Often, this process is tedious, but it doesn't come up often as the initial mistake is human error. Sometimes on the Android app, it signs you out or completely fails to load. Reopening the app usually fixes it, but it can be frustrating. They change detrimental features and don't give an option to opt out. You can't speak to a person. You have to email them with problems. You have to pay for unused user portion. You have only 5 users but still have to pay for 10 users. It is misleading that they list a price per user. What is Setmore? Setmore offers a free online scheduling platform for you to connect with your customers. Manage all your appointments through one simple, sleek calendar system and give your business the freedom to grow. Bring on more customers and sharpen your brand image while taking charge of your working hours. By listing your availability online, your customers can self-book their desired services. Focus on providing an excellent customer experience and let Setmo handle the paperwork. Best 4. They are built for businesses and organizations of all sizes. Solopreneurs, small business owners, managers, non-profits, and community organizations all use Setmo to connect with customers online and thrive. Pros. Looks good and professional. Great for basic businesses or education environments. I love how you can tailor your products and how easy it is to do so. I also love that you have Square payments attached and how I can add them to my website as a streamlined book and pay. It was an easy solution and setup for our store as we wanted people to make appointments to visit us to help with COVID prevention. I set it up and tested it in less than a perfect hour. I am most glad I was recommended this product. It makes life and time management a lot easier. Cons. I lose business when I make a customer wait. Setmo ensures that I never lose my customers. I tried to do my research as I selected a booking service to use, and I'm afraid I may have made the wrong choice. There are limitations depending on your requirements. We do have to do workarounds to get it to fit our needs, and it can be disappointing and frustrating. It's the users that come and go, and if someone else had already used that same email address, it is a pain in the rear to go through and change that so that someone else can use it. What is 7 Sheets? 7 Sheets helps restaurants schedule more efficiently with intuitive scheduling, communication, time tracking, and compliance tools. The intuitive drag-and-drop schedule builder automatically factors availability, time off, overtime, and compliance with easy POS integration to ensure you're hitting your labor targets. With a free app for staff to submit availability requests, swap shifts, and chat, building schedules that work for everyone has never been so easy. Start free today. Best 4. 7 Shifts is explicitly designed for restaurant owners, managers, and employees looking to optimize schedules, streamline communication, and improve efficiency. Pricing details. 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Comp. Free for 30 employees and 1 location. Entrée, $29.99 per month per location billed annually, or $34.99 per month per location billed monthly, for 30 employees. The Works, $69.99 per month per location billed monthly, for unlimited employees. Gourmet, contact 7 Shifts for a custom pricing quote for enterprise restaurants and chains. 7 Shifts also offers volume discounts for franchises. Pros. Overall, 7 Shifts has been the best restaurant scheduling software I've used. If I'm being sincere, the bar wasn't particularly high. Nonetheless, I'm delighted. I would recommend this product for employee scheduling. Overall, the product for the time you save and the easy to share with your team. Very happy with the appearance and functionality of the system. It makes scheduling easy and enjoyable. My favorite is availability. It's easy to make my employees happy when I can schedule them accordingly. Cons. Their beta testing due diligence leaves something to be desired. If they cannot duplicate an error, even if you can prove it exists, they refuse to fix it, saying they are incapable of doing so. Employees report that the app's only aspect that gives them trouble. There is no edit button, so a report must be deleted entirely and rewritten if there's a mistake. When you go to print something, it's tough. You have to go through a couple of steps just to print the schedule up, unless we've been doing something wrong for numerous years.